गते कर्णाभ्यर्णं गरुत इव पक्ष्माणि दधति पुराम्भेत्तुश्चित्तप्रशमरसविद्रावणफले इमे नेत्रे गोत्राधरपतिकुलोत्तंसकलिके तवाकर्णाकृष्टस्मरशरविलासं कलयतः। गते कर्ण अभ्यर्णं, कर्णाभ्यर्णम is a compound word, bhas mahapranah. Garuta iva pakshmani dadhati, second dhas mahapranah. Puram bhetuhu, bhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to shu there. Chitta prashama rasa vidravana phale. Chitta prashama rasa vidravana phale is a compound word, bhas mahapranah. Bhetushchitta prashamarasa vidravana phale, because of sandhi. Ime netre gotradhara pati kula uttamsa, kulottamsa kalike. Gotradhara pati kulottamsa kalike is a compound word. The dha is mahapranah. Tava akarna, tavakarna akrishta, tavakarna krishta. Smara Shara Vilasam. Tavakarna Krishta Smara Shara Vilasam is a compound word. Kalayataha. Gate Karna Bhyarnangaruta Iva Pakshmani Dadhati Puram Bhetushchitta Prashamarasa Vidravana Phale Ime netre gotradharapati kulottam sakalike tava karna krishta smarashara vilasam kalayataha. Vibhakta traivarnyam vyatikarita lilanjanataya vibhati tvannetra tritayamidam ishana daite Punasrashtum devan druhinahari rudran uparatan rajasattvam bibhrattama iti gunanam trayamiva. Vibhakta traivarnyam is a compound word, bhas mahapranah. Vyatikarita lilanjanataya, lila anjana, lilanjanataya. Vyatikarita lilanjanataya is a compound word. Vibhati, bhas mahapranah. Tvannetra, tvat to changes to n, netra, so it becomes tvannetra tritayam. Tvannetra tritayam is a compound word. Idam. Tvannetra tritayam idam. Ishana daite is a compound word. Tvannetra tritayam idam ishana daite. Punaha, visarga changes to su there. Srashtum, punasrashtum because of sandhi. Devan, Druhinahari Rudran is a compound word. Uparatan, Druhinahari Rudran Uparatan. Rajaha, Visarga changes to su there. Sattvam, Rajas Sattvam because of sandhi. Bibhrat, second bhas, mahapranah. Tamaha, Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Iti, Gunanam Trayam Iva, Trayam Iva. Vibhaktatraivarnyam vyatikarita-lilanjanataya vibhati tvannetratritayamidamishana-daite punasrashtun devan druhinahari-rudranuparatan rajasattvam bibhrattama iti gunanantrayamiva. Pavitri-kartum naf pashupati paradhina hridaye dayamitrair netrair arunadhavala shyamaruchibhihi nadashono ganga tapanatanayeti dhruvamamum trayanam tirthanam upanayasi sambhedam anagham. Pavitri-kartum is a compound word. Naha, visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Pashupati paradhina hridaye. All together is a compound word. Paradhina, the dha is Mahapranah. Now it becomes Naf Pashupati Paradhina Hridaye because of Sandhi. Dayamitraihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to Repha. Netraihi. Dayamitrair Netraihi because of Sandhi. Netraihi, the Visarga changes to Repha. Aruna Dhavala Shyama Ruchibhihi. Altogether, Aruna Dhavala Shyama Ruchibhihi is a compound word. Dhavala Dha and Ruchibhihi, the Bha, both are Mahapranaha. So it becomes Netrair Aruna Dhavala Shyama Ruchibhihi because of Sandhi. Nadaha, Visarga changes to Shu there. Shonaha, Nadashonaha because of Sandhi. The Shonaha becomes Shono because of Sandhi. Ganga, Tapana Tanaya is a compound word. Iti, Tapana Tanayeti because of Sandhi. Dhruvam, Dhas Mahapranah. Amum, Dhruvamamum. Trayanam, Tirthanam. The second Tha is Mahapranah. Upanayasi, Tirthanam Upanayasi. Sambhedam, Bha is Mahapranah. Anagham, Gha is Mahapranah. Sambhedam Anagham. Pavitri-kartunnaf Pashupati Paradhina Hridaye Dayamitrair Netrair Arunadhavala Shyama Ruchibhihi Nadashono Ganga Tapanatanayeti Dhruvamamum Trayanam Tirthanam Upanayasi Sambhedam Anagham.